I need to trim my fucking beard, man.
We might have to get. Oh God, Jesus Christ!
The more expensive they are, the safer they are. You buy one.
Oh, you usually get hacked. Oh, really? Oh, no. This guy just doesn't care about his children. This guy's a hacker. You guys need to listen to me.
You got hacked. What did it say then?
It said like, what was it? How was it supposed to say? I actually don't fucking remember. This is embarrassing.
Okay, yeah,
I don't,
this guy.
No, no, I'm being fucking dead serious.
Okay, was that the deliberation deck?
For some reason, I.
Wait, Zach, was it something to do with like, how much money you give someone asking for diapers?
Yeah, that's what it was.
Zach, you don't get a prompt in that one, buddy.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that was the emergency button? Oops. I accidentally pressed it.
You might be by the way.
I'm scratching my neck. Well, my chin. Same thing really for you. Actually, I don't think I follow Hannah actually, but she's not Chad. She's
Hands.
Huh? Hands, yeah, she's Hands.
Hands.
Hands. Oh well, that's sounds not hands.
Only wolves have Chad.
Oh, that's on a different level of
Wolverhampton versus Wolves.
thing.
I'm scared of the blacks now. Wait, what?
I'm that guy, Joseph. Trust me, this is coming in. I am that guy. I am that guy. Maybe it's not going in.
I told you.
Nah.
I told you.
You were saying? Wait, stop.
Because. Hey. Andy, come. I'm gonna throw it to you. Make it stick to you.
Keeper.
What the fuck?
Yeah, then just okay.
But nothing will beat Abu Dhabi.
It should be.
Junior Eurovision Song Contest, live from Yerevan, Armenia. Are you ready?
No.
Fucking why did Armenia blood?
Last December,
Be fair,
stunning capital
he's also
played host to
also
the 20th
wood.
edition of
The
Junior
Armenian one, I
Eurovision.
think.
It's an event
Well, the
with
child.
pleasure of
Not the
hosting
child.
and
No,
taking
I didn't realize this was juniors. No.
A good song for a wedding first dance.
What? No.
Hurry him up, hurry him up.
It's the bioscan, I want to do it.
All I'm saying is it was me.
We don't have time. We don't have time.
I'm not fucking doing
Captain,
this.
I'm sending you the correct list.
So the first one is a swastika. Oh, never mind.
If anyone here dies, you're unlucky as shit. Oh, fuck, stop!
This one.
That. Cool. Wait. No. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so dumb.
I clicked the wrong thing.
Oh, never mind.
Everyone again? You
When
want me
is
to be
Celsius the
taught
same
lesser?
as... Oh, never mind. I read it the other way around.
Done.
No problem.
Nice, mate.
But with me being here to help you, you won't need any of that. So let's start with the basics.
What the fuck you joined?
It's an Ivy.
My god.
This involves Andy in a job that he's lost already.
Please get a 2017 October one.
Sink the mess.
They call me for assist. Andy and the job cannot coexist.
Yo, my
Cannon.
Oh, you remember...
I think you misspelled cannon, by the way.
Wait, how do you spell it?
It's C-A-N... No. C-A-N-O-N-O-N.
Canon.
No. You naughty.
Oh no! No! Why does it sound like that?
Good downloads like wham.
Yeah, no, I have a lot.
You guys use the music section. Oh my fucking god, my eyes. You should probably get Hentai Fairy off the screen, by the way.
Those who didn't start on them have changed to them. It's Yuma Iwasa who leads the virtue.
Love miners.
On the left-hand side of your screen, the leading driver who stopped. The big loser
Joseph?
in all of this. Well,
Drinking oil is a bad habit.
I would
Oh,
rather.
hello. So I was expecting.
I'll give you 5. I'll give you
Can't
5.
understand birthday.
Oh,
What?
I gotta go for food.
What are we talking?
Whoa, look how good that
Are you stupid?
That was such a fun hacker game, guys.
I can't believe it.
There's no way you're asking to go online so you can.
Everyone has to be a dictator. That's the theme of this game.
Can we do the other one? I just saw all my thing, Joseph, so it wouldn't be in my history.
Everyone has to be a dictator.
No, I am.
25 turns, man. Actually, no, 20. I want to play CSC.
Well, Andy, let me be that guy.
Why? Zach, can I please have my color?
Look at me.
Why not, man? Okay.
No, Isaac. Why did you do that?
No, but this is me seeing. This is me seeing the potential run-in we have to the top trophy.
When did I say Haaland is worse than Origi?
You're losing it, Mark.
Wait, Rice, do you want to put money on it, pal?
That I said Haaland is worse than Origi. I think that's the most retarded person in the world wouldn't say that. Oh, did I? No, what?
Imagine if you get arrested for being homophobic.
Yeah, you'd be in prison for a life.
Yeah, in many countries.
Really? Yeah. What countries?
Your mum.
Probably Middle East.
I took the flash on
My name is Alex. Alex.
And what's your last name?
You technically we can choke on each other. Oh whoa. You technically we can choke on each other. Oh whoa.
He just lived in their attic. He does all the housework when the husband's not home. He's pretty much a slave, and the only thing he gets is to sleep with her.
Wait,
That might be the most expeditiously down bad man I've ever heard.
No, that's not down bad.
But my question
That is massively down bad!
You do, but Sean, no one can knows where you are. No one can know about you. No, you don't get any contact. Like the only time you get to see her is to sleep with her. She does her business and then gone.
Mate, that business is good business though.
So here's my question to you, Sean.
Not if it
Dua
was.
Lipa offered you that, would you take it?
Oh god, yes. Yes.
If Dua Lipa offered you that, would you take it?
Yes, I'm licking her feet.
Yeah, that's what, yeah. Most people do Jesus right, but if it's in
you could eat an entire block of uranium.
Sean. Right, we're big game players, Sean. Big game players.
I need some
Yeah,
items.
it's in my face.
Probably not.
Not Rishi Sunak.
What's he done?
That's a business social.
To get booked.
Yeah, man. Yep.
Give it.
Pedro Porro.
Oh my days.
Oh.
I'm just gonna cry.
Guys, are you surprised? I don't want to be. Well, are you surprised an Indian standing with Israel?
He's not okay.
Bro, I don't have time, man.
Well, he has Indian heritage. Am I even wrong?
Still, it doesn't make it a good thing.
It's not like corner shop.
What, being Indian?
Well, there's no problem. Yeah, sure. The gaze is stupid.
Pass back!
Is he just fucking taking a shot?
Why did Stefan turn into a dog? Who win? God is real.
Allah is real, actually.
You do realize God is Allah is God in fucking Arab.
That's I misspelled.
Touch ice.
I want to kiss your mum.
When's the last time you touched a child? Be honest.
I don't know.
Jesus Christ.
Wait, what group are you in? Bin Laden and...
Ah, shit!
Yeah, man, $10 is like 12 euros.
No.
No, other 10 euros is
12
like...
euros is $10.
And it's probably about
Zizu, you just said the exact same thing I said.
Money.
No, you said $10 is 12 euros. I said... Boring one.
Brazilian.
No, as in weight class.
Don't think that's a category, right? I mean, Stefan. I mean,
What's it?
Sean, you need to hear her voice back. Well, back then, because I was young, her voice sounded really nice. Probably a bit nonsense saying that right now. Seems like, yeah, 2019, I wasn't 17. I was older.
You're 21, no?
Wait, math. 23. Alright, 3 minus 21, 19. Missed, when we were 17, was I in Blizzard?
Wait a second.
There's nobody.
Zizo.
Seems like, yeah, 2019, I wasn't 17. I was older.
You're 21, no?
Wait, math. 23. Alright, 3 minus 21, 19. Missed, when we were 17, was I in Blizzard?
Wait a
Believe it.
No! It's over. It's over.
Oh,
yes.
the hell?
Oh, yes.
Zach, we knew.
Oh,
Zach,
yes.
we knew.
No, you didn't slide in it now.
You did not know. There's this Turkish place beside me.
I don't care what place it
that
is.
does kebabs. Miss, genuinely.
Yeah, they
You put
amazing.
you put your mouth on the meat and it fucking melts in your mouth. It's so good.
Yeah.
We're not in fucking year 6, lads. Grow the fuck up.
Bro, you literally put your mouth on the meat.